Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or catching up on the road, welcome to Auto Intelligence. I'm Steve, and I'm here with Claire, both part of the Auto Agentic team.
Good morning, Steve. The automotive design process has changed dramatically in recent years. What used to be months of clay models, sketches on paper, and iterative refinement is being transformed by AI.
That's exactly what we're diving into today. How artificial intelligence is fundamentally reshaping automotive design. And Claire, the numbers we're seeing are absolutely staggering.
The global automotive AI market is projected to explode from $14.15 billion in 2023 to $734.97 billion by 2032.
That's a compound annual growth rate of 55.1%. 55% growth annually? That's not just adoption. That's a complete transformation of how the industry operates.
It's the compression of time, Steve. What used to take years of sketching, prototyping, and refinement is now happening in weeks or even days through AI-powered tools.
Avinash Balachandran from Toyota Research Institute captured this transformation when he said this technique combines Toyota's traditional engineering strengths with the state-of-the-art capabilities of modern generative AI.
And the impact is immediate. Research shows that 43% of automotive development professionals are already incorporating AI and machine learning into their design processes.
Let's talk about generative AI specifically, because this is where things get really fascinating. Toyota's FelGAN system is a perfect example. Designers can input specific parameters like weight, material constraints, manufacturing methods.
The speed is incredible, but what really stands out is how intuitive these systems are becoming. Designers can literally enter commands like show me futuristic, sleek variations of my design while minimizing drag.
Audi's taking this even further with their FelGAN technology using generative adversarial networks. They're creating wheel designs so realistic that even the human eye cannot, or can only barely, distinguish them from real photos.
That competitive process continuously improves the quality. It's like having two master craftsmen challenging each other to create better work, except they never get tired and they work at digital speed. Which brings up an important question. Are we talking about replacing human designers or augmenting them? Because there's a big difference between those two scenarios.
Great question. The reality we're seeing in studios is powerful collaboration, not replacement. Gordon Wagner, Chief Design Officer at Mercedes-Benz, explains that the goal is not to replace designers, but to work alongside AI to unlock new ideas that humans might miss.
That makes sense. Raphael Zammit from the College for Creative Studies describes it as the computer will get any untrained person 95% of the way there. You're just going around cleaning stuff up.
Let's shift to simulation technology, because this is where AI is creating some truly unprecedented capabilities. Ford's implementation of digital twin technology has reduced design time by 25%.
Digital twins are fascinating. Virtual replicas that mirror physical vehicles in real time. Manufacturers can test and refine designs in simulated environments before any physical prototype is built.
Modern AI-enabled simulations can even predict manufacturing costs for different designs, enabling manufacturers to select the most efficient options before production begins.
This is particularly crucial for electric vehicle development, where aerodynamic efficiency directly impacts range. Takero Kato, Toyota's battery electric vehicle factory president, emphasizes that reducing drag is critical for improving the aerodynamics of BVs to maximize their range.
AI-powered optimization can iterate through thousands of design variations to find that optimal balance between aesthetics and aerodynamic performance. It's solving problems that would take human designers months to work through.
Now let's talk about something that directly affects every driver. Interior design and personalization. The interior of tomorrow's vehicles will be spaces of unprecedented personalization, where AI learns and adapts to individual preferences in real time.
Tesla's already demonstrating this future today with their AI-based personalization system. Using camera sensors, seat sensors, and behavioral tracking algorithms, it maps driver routines and automatically adjusts climate temperature, seat position, steering sensitivity, and entertainment content.
The business impact is substantial too. Studies show that 40% of car buyers already prioritize personalization when choosing their next vehicle, and AI-powered customization is expected to generate 15% of total automotive software revenue by 2035.
Smart Eye's automotive interior sensing AI represents the cutting edge of cabin intelligence. They're combining driver monitoring system and cabin monitoring system technologies to understand the state of the driver, the cabin, and everyone in it.
That's a massive industry investment in intelligent interior systems. This isn't just about comfort, it's about creating emotional connections between drivers and their vehicles.
Exactly. And MIT research demonstrates that machine learning models can not only predict the appeal of new aesthetic designs, but also generate designs that are aesthetically pleasing or aesthetically innovative.
You're listening to Auto Intelligence, brought to you by Agentic,
the platform transforming automotive retail with intelligent, human-centered AI. What sets Agentic apart is our consultative approach to AI implementation. We don't just deliver technology, we deliver trusted guidance that helps dealerships thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape. Now, back to today's topic.
One challenge that keeps coming up is brand identity. When competitors utilize identical AI models, voice assistants, or navigation systems from the same suppliers, how do automotive brands maintain their distinct character?
That's a critical issue, Claire. Visteon's analysis highlights exactly this problem. When competitors utilize identical AI models, voice assistants, or navigation systems from the same suppliers, the distinct character that has historically separated automotive brands can blur.
The solution seems to lie in customizable AI implementation that reflects brand DNA. For sporty, performance-oriented brands, AI systems might prioritize driving dynamics data and responsive interfaces.
Volvo's partnership with Google exemplifies this thoughtful approach. They're integrating Gemini AI into vehicles while maintaining the brand's commitment to human-centric design.
Let's talk manufacturing, because AI is revolutionizing production with some incredible efficiency gains. General Motors has become the first automaker in North America to use Autodesk's generative design technology.
And Tesla's AI-driven robotic systems have achieved production efficiency increases of 35% and defect reductions of 40%. The manufacturing applications are diverse. AI-powered computer vision systems inspect each vehicle at various stages of production.
Predictive maintenance is another game changer. These systems analyze machine performance data to schedule maintenance before failures occur, preventing costly production disruptions.
The scale of adoption is staggering. As of early 2025, approximately 78% of automotive manufacturers have implemented some form of AI in their operations, up from just 62% 2 years earlier.
Let's break down those market segments because the levels of integration vary significantly. 22% are Tier 1 manufacturers with full AI integration across design, manufacturing, supply chain, and customer experience.
33% are Tier 2 with substantial AI implementation in selected high-value areas. 23% are Tier 3 with experimental AI projects and limited production integration.
The financial commitment is equally impressive. Europe's $200 billion Invest AI fund represents the largest coordinated investment in automotive AI infrastructure, with plans for 4 AI gigafactories dedicated to automotive applications.
Ursula von der Leyen declared that AI will improve our healthcare, spur our research and innovation, and boost our competitiveness. But let's look at the market projections because multiple research firms are forecasting explosive growth.
Zion Market Research projects growth from $14.15 billion in 2023 to $734.97 billion by 2032.
Several companies are emerging as leaders in this space. Tesla continues setting the pace with comprehensive AI integration across design, manufacturing, and vehicle operation.
BMW's partnership with Intel and Mobileye demonstrates the collaborative approach driving innovation. The alliance focuses on computer vision technology that teaches machines to see and interpret surroundings like humans.
Toyota Research Institute's systematic approach combines traditional engineering expertise with cutting-edge generative AI capabilities. Charlene Wu, Senior Director of TRI's Human-Centered AI Division, emphasizes that TRI is harnessing the creative power of AI to amplify automobile designers and engineers.
Looking ahead to 2025 through 2030, industry experts predict accelerating adoption across all aspects of automotive design and manufacturing.
Mercedes-Benz Chief Design Officer Gordon Wagoner offers a bold prediction. I think in 10 years, maybe most of the design will be done by AI, and it will make designers obsolete.
That timeline might be aggressive, but it reflects the rapid pace of advancement. McKinsey projections suggest that 3.5 million autonomous vehicles could be on US roads by 2025.
The level of AI integration expected by 2025 is remarkable. Nearly 60% of cars sold globally will have some form of Level 2 autonomy features.
But significant challenges remain. AI implementation requires careful consideration of brand differentiation. As automotive consultant Alan Macy notes, the challenge extends beyond luxury segments. Every automaker must ensure their AI implementations reflect their unique brand DNA.
Data privacy and security concerns are paramount as vehicles become increasingly connected and AI dependent. The average vehicle in 2025 contains over 200 million lines of code.
This complexity introduces new vulnerabilities that must be carefully managed. Regulatory frameworks are struggling to keep pace with technological advancement.
The transformation is also reshaping workforce requirements. Organizations that partner with specialized AI software development services are accelerating implementation timelines by an average of 14 months.
The most successful AI implementations come from companies that view AI not as an off-the-shelf component, but as a highly customizable technology layer.
AI-driven design optimization is proving crucial for meeting environmental regulations. Generative design algorithms can create lightweight, efficient components that reduce vehicle weight and improve fuel economy.
Predictive maintenance enabled by AI is extending vehicle lifespans by 15 to 25%, while reducing maintenance costs by 20 to 30%.
The future of automotive design is inseparable from the broader connected car ecosystem.
Tesla's over-the-air update system demonstrates this potential, allowing vehicles to receive AI improvements, new features, and enhanced capabilities throughout their operational life.
So what's left the strongest impression on you from all this data?
First, the speed of transformation. We're talking about a 55% annual growth rate in a traditionally conservative industry.
Second, the collaborative nature of human-AI partnerships rather than replacement scenarios. And third, the personalization potential that's creating emotional connections between drivers and vehicles.
For me, what's most striking is how AI isn't just making design faster, it's making it more human-centered. We're seeing systems that adapt to individual preferences, predict needs, and create experiences tailored to each driver.
The integration of artificial intelligence into automotive design represents more than technological advancement. It's a fundamental reimagining of how vehicles are conceived, created, and experienced.
From generative AI systems creating unlimited design possibilities to AI-powered personalization systems that adapt to individual preferences, the industry is witnessing a transformation comparable to the shift from horse-drawn carriages to motorized vehicles.
The statistics are compelling. A market growing from $14.15 billion to $734.97 billion in less than a decade. 78% of manufacturers already implementing AI solutions.
But beyond the numbers lies a more profound truth. AI is not replacing human creativity in automotive design. It's amplifying it to unprecedented levels.
As Toyota's Avinash Balachandran observed, the future lies in combining traditional engineering strengths with state-of-the-art capabilities of modern generative AI.
The road ahead is clear. Automotive design in the age of AI will be faster, more innovative, and more closely attuned to individual preferences, while maintaining the distinct brand identities that define automotive culture.
For an industry built on the marriage of art and engineering, AI represents not an ending, but a new beginning.
Here's something to think about as you head into your day. If AI can already get an untrained person 95% of the way to professional design quality, what happens when that same AI starts learning from the world's best automotive designers?
We might be looking at a future where the only limit to automotive design truly is human imagination itself. The transformation is already underway, and the companies that embrace this AI-driven future will define the next century of automotive innovation.
Thanks for joining us on Auto Intelligence today. This episode was produced by the team at AutoAgentic. Learn more at autoagentic.ai.
We'd like to thank our producer, Barry Hillier, co-founder and CEO of AutoAgentic AI, for making this conversation possible.